Got the pan off. Just trying to get this thing off. Got the filter off. And I might have to YouTube it because it's not wanting to come down. I unplugged everything on the top, but I don't know what's going on with it. So I'm just gonna tinker with it some more. Hopefully it will just pop soon. All right, guys. So I managed to get this off, which is this bracket right here. There's a bolt on top, 13 millimeter. This one's all messed up. It started rotating on me and was really, it was a big pain in the ass. But I had to weld it to get it to stay. And then this basically popped right off with a little bit of force. And this bracket goes up there. So what I've been learning on YouTube is you have to rotate this counterclockwise if you're looking up. So it's gonna go this way. It's gonna go that way. And you rotate it enough and this should drop down. So there's a couple bolts on the perimeter that hold this thing together, and they're 10 millimeter. You don't really need to mess with the Torx. And that's about it. So I'll let you guys know when I get this thing off there, and we'll see what it looks like inside. All right, guys. So I popped it off. All you got to do is turn that rod. Just keep turning it until it drops down. If you keep pressure on it, it'll just keep dropping down. This is an 05 TJ Unlimited. I saw videos online of this thing just coming off. Well, that ain't true with this Jeep. There's a linkage right here that prevents you from dropping this all the way down and being able to work on it on the workbench. So I had to drop it off halfway, and I installed the new solenoid, and also these two little chambers. There's cylinders in those chambers, so be careful they don't fall out when you drop this down. I gotta put those back in. Other than that, not too shabby. Doesn't look that bad, although I'm not an expert on transmissions, so we'll just have to see what happens. But I'll let you guys know how it rides, and if it doesn't, if it goes into gear right. Anyways, I will let you know. See ya. Well, this is all buttoned up. I was able to get that arm back on. I painted it, sanded it down so it's not going to be rusty, and I welded the nut on the back side so it'll never have a problem again with it. Replaced those and put it all back together, made sure it's shifted. Got the linkage on. Cleaned up the pan and put some RTV on it. So hopefully it'll work. I know I'm missing bolts right there. I gotta do that. All right, so we'll see what it does. It wasn't that hard putting it back together. It was a lot easier.